My name is Rami Rahim. I'm the CEO of Juniper Networks. We're a global provider of high-performance, highly automated networking solutions. We serve many of all of the service providers and cloud providers around the world, in addition to the top Fortune 10 companies around the world. We've played a key role in building and scaling the backbone of the internet. I joined the company almost 25 years ago. It's been a long and great, very rewarding journey. And from an education standpoint, I earned a bachelor's degree of science in electrical engineering from the University of Toronto in '94 and a master's of science degree in electrical engineering at Stanford University in '96. So I've been a techie all of my life, even now as a CEO, and I have earned 17 technology patents in networking along the way on my career. I believe that being a technical helps in being a leader in any high-tech company. So if you ask the question of, did my engineering degree benefit my career journey, even as I moved into the business side of things, the answer is an unequivocal yes. Having an engineering degree is a great way of being technical. And if you think about my responsibility today, it's rare that you have any big consequential decision to make as CEO where you don't benefit from having some technical chops, being able to ask the right questions and making the right calls for the direction and the strategy of the company. And additionally, I just say that, a big part of my job today is sales. You're selling vision to employees, you're selling shares to your investors, you're selling solutions to customers, you're selling a strategy to your board of directors, and having the ability to bridge between technology and business outcomes and to clearly articulate what that bridge is really helps you in selling all of the above.